Welcome to our tutorial on how to unpin a chat group on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open Twitter on your PC and sign into your account. Step 2. On the left side of the page, click on Messages to access your direct messages. Step 3. In the address box, type in the name of the chat group you want to unpin. Step 4. Click on the specific chat group from the list of conversations to open it. Step 5. Look for the More icon within the chat group and click on it to reveal additional options. Step 6. From the options that appear, select Unpin Conversation to remove the chat group from the pinned section. By following these steps, you can easily unpin a chat group on Twitter, allowing you to prioritize other conversations or keep your messages organized. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to unpin a chat group on Twitter using your PC. Enjoy customizing your conversations and managing your messages efficiently.